Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Nvidia control panel not opening or not working. So the first thing, what you need to do here, you need to open up your task manager, and then you need on processes, you need to look for Nvidia, as you can see here, Nvidia Web Helper, and end the task, and end all the tasks related to Nvidia container here. Please end the tasks, and then you need to go to services, and then just tap on one of the tasks and press N. And here you should see Nvidia display container ls and three tasks related to Nvidia. So right click on it, go to properties, make sure that starter type is on automatic, and make sure that is on running. If it's not on running, just press start and apply changes and do with all the tasks that is related to Nvidia, right? Automatic, server status start, and with the last one as well. Automatic, server status should be on running, and apply all the changes. And if the problem persists, then open up GeForce Experience and make sure you install the latest drivers here. Please check for updates, and if there is some updates, please install it. And the last thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system. Just write and search check for updates, and here press check for updates and install the latest updates on your system, and then restart your computer and see if the problem persists or not, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.